Hello everyone, welcome to our video today. I'm going to show you how to use the products on my right hand. This is the flippable, the tables, and let me give you the demonstrations and the overall sizes. So when we turn around the units, we can see the backs, all the light standings, the flip overs, and we can just pull it out and open the other side and put it straight. So they're pretty strong. And dimensions of it for the tables about like 47 inches in the length, and the width they are about like a 23 and 3/4 inches length, and the overall height they are almost about like a 31.5 inches tall. And also this table is made by all stainless steels. So this will be the all information about the products. If you do have more questions, just contact with us.